This is an air conditioner.
Air conditioning glasses.
Ah, it's hot. Now,
Stay still. Stay still.
It's hot.
Stay totally still.
It's cool. See, the air's
Stay
not...
still. Don't move. Don't move.
The air's going this way.
Here we
The
go.
air is not going this way. It's going toward me.
That's perfect.
Okay, stay still, Erik. Erik, can you stay still so I can... It's so funny.
Look. See, there's a motor right here. And there's a battery. See, I push this and it does it.
Alright. That's so funny.
But it's a little hard on my nose. Ouch.
Be careful.
Oh, is there a red mark here?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
This is getting hot too, but it wasn't hot.
Mommy, look at my nose.
There's so much work for this big thing.
I need to put a cushion.
Hot.
I need to put a cushion on there.
Yeah, it shouldn't be left on.
Just enough for the demonstration, I guess.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I get some cushions?
Oh my God, it's burning up.
Man, I'm burning.
Annika. Annika. Hello. Hello, Annika.
Great.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Sweat like a pig. Man, you know what, Papa, you know that thing? I sweat like a pig without that thing. That thing's great. Hey, I'm gonna invent it. I'm gonna put it, talk about it all over every store.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make a lot of money.
Okay, so bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Da, 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 da. Wait. Last twirl.
Fading.